Take it out. We got a new dance for y'all. You gotta hit that bitch. Hit that bitch.
What the fuck is up? I've been fucking down to
Oh my life.
It ain't been no fucking
Hit
the road and run it up.
that bitch. You gotta.
I've been moving around so much, I feel like what the fuck is stuck. I've been doing a lot of shit.
Man, Ola Park Mall. My name is Oberg, bro. You already coming, man. Carlos on Wavy TV. 2020, we going up, bro. No L's all day. No L's at all. Only W's, baby. Tell me, Carlos, only W's, baby.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Carlos Wavy. Back at it again with another video. We got my man's Ro in the cut. He back from the college. Say what up, bro? Yeah. got the twins and them out here. We had Popeyes and we finna do this mukbang. So let's get it. Why is the Popeyes chicken support so big?
Got your just Ro TV, subscribe, you know what you saying.
Go check out his channel, man.
Yeah. What we get subscribers on the internet, so I can solve it.
Y'all gonna cook me? Let me know in the comments. No, real good. That's what it is. I know. He's still on.
Look like he made that much progress.
Hey, it be like that, bro.
Like a big.
Who fight?
He fought KSI. Hey, shout out to KSI. He really good doing it. He a black man with 20 million subscribers. I'm trying to get like him, so make sure y'all click that like button and subscribe.
Like Logan Paul, like 6'3", 6'2". That nigga like 5'8".
Well, Logan Paul got the biggest bro.
Biggest hell, bro. This can turn to a KSI versus Logan Paul. That one thing. Some people might say that's fucked up, but I believe you though.
Well, Mayweather coming out fighting 222.
Hey, Jake Paul, hit me in the DM. Let me know. Let's work.
Let me call your ass a king, alright, boy.
I'm gonna finish this top row. Still have like 75% ready to go grade into the pro.
I'm sorry, y'all, for the audio quality. I haven't got my motherfucking mic in the mail yet. It's coming up. Like you little Chinese movies. Hey, why did they take like so small?
Bro, he's just gonna walk before I'm gonna come back over there.
I'm gonna get some more.
Slap him off again.
Oh my life.
Actually, this motherfucker sounds burning my damn tongue.
It's been so good though.
Too much glizzy, yeah. Put him over the spice. Whoa.
Into the damn wall. You can have pop. You think pop is burning so bad.
When he's ice water.
Hey, comment down below if y'all like videos like this. Or y'all want me to do something else. I don't know. I gotta look up for my subs.
Your ass look like a sub.
Boy, let your ass eat the sub, boy. Don't wait on it.
Your ass look like somebody long lost granddaddy. Your ass like World War II.
Carlo do look like he's gonna go.
Real ones, you know about that.
Carlo look like he's gonna go. He was with kids when he was saying that.
Oh yeah, boy.
He look like
Clap your hands so hard.
he look like a blind. He look like a blind piano player. In the motherfucking church.
All my ass did you want to.
Boy, I'm down there scared to take my ass.
spicy. It's not that hot. That's this big.
Nah, I don't even eat hot shit. But I don't love hot shit now.
God, I don't know. I like it, but I don't like it too hot shit. I ain't never gonna do no hot spicy challenge. That shit's.
I need to like buffalo or something.
Yeah, that shit
Hey, y'all.
I love shit.
100 likes on this video. Damn. Hey, y'all, no. 100 likes on this video, and I'll do the hot pocky chip challenge.
Hey, I dare you eat a Carolina Reaper.
Matter of fact, I ate a Carolina Reaper. 100 likes on this video.
Carolina
You
Reaper
gonna
chip?
That's the hottest fucking pepper.
You talking about the chip?
Yeah,
Like the
no,
one
it's
chip?
pepper. It's the hottest pepper.
Oh no, you ever heard the one chip challenge?
Yeah, the pocket chip. I'm telling you.
Carolina Reaper is worse though. What's that one chip or something like that?
I mean, you just
The
one
pocket
big
chip
ass
has the
burrito.
Carolina Reaper.
But
It's like it got the Carolina Reaper pepper on it.
It's a Carolina Reaper. It probably got that. It got that pepper all over. No, it's a Carolina Reaper. Imagine eating that pepper like it's taking a bite out of that pepper by itself.
Right, so I'm gonna go
Start
ahead.
sweating within like 15 seconds.
I'm gonna do the pocket chip challenge when I hit 100 likes. So let's say I'll smell like
Niggas
that
do
like
that
butter.
challenge with that shit, and they try to eat like 5 peppers. You gotta eat like 5 peppers back to back. But you gotta realize that the peppers like, so they like that. Yeah. You think you just get right through it and then deal with the hotness? I'm telling you, they swallow one, they swallow two, they get to that third one, they be like, oh God, that's all they take. Oh God, they be already shaking. I'm like, hell no, boy, y'all last Cap Nicholson. They be lying to y'all last time. Y'all think y'all do that shit. It's gonna be all, that shit catching that shit.
Just bring the jalapenos and get
Oh God, boy. They be like, next one up. I'm like, hold on, boy, it's 8 more peppers after the jalapeno. That's tweaking, boy. Who the fuck eat this shit?
My life.
Jalapeno juice be a little bit too much.
Nah, you ever went to,
Jalapeno juice so good on nachos.
You know they had Maxwell's? They fucking sport peppers. Boy, that shit fucking hot. Let me tell you that.
Sometimes hot be good though, but sometimes.
Yeah, sometimes that shit.
I'm not gonna lie, that gravy and this mashed potato was hot.
It is, man.
Overall, it's like it's just hot. Yeah, like the temperature, but it's like mildness is making it hot. I'm already
Like when I edit this video, this shit gonna be hella fun.
Let me explain to y'all why I said it. And then rewind the video 20 minutes. And then just say some stuff. You gotta just fuck around. I wish I knew how to do that shit, but I definitely just fuck around.
Yeah, I'm gonna make this bitch lit. I'm telling you, I'm gonna get my views up there. I already know 2020 is the year.
Hey bro, now I know you talk about, you don't seem like when somebody says you done shit and they like, and then they be like
The background is
and they be like, and then like you start you the screen. Bush keep kicking my ass, bro.
Oh, bite, boy. You better out with it, bitch. This is, we are back live with Rolando versus Food.
Big Bell, Big Bell.
One sandwich. Oh, bite. That nigga man versus Food, he be eating 50 oysters.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
Hey,
That
Popeye,
surprised me is that they
come sponsor the kids. Y'all food is it?
He's not fat, but he's actually finishing a lot of that shit. He be finishing most of it.
He be like, in today, in man
It
society,
don't matter what they look like on the outside.
man won.
They stomach is the biggest fucking stomach. I know some little ass niggas that can eat that. We finished it. Yeah, finished like this size.
This whole fucking table.
No, it's funny because this is the one sandwich that beat his ass. He ate that shit. It was a big ass fucking omelet. It got down to this motherfucking bunch, and the nigga said he couldn't eat. He's like, if I take another bite, I'm gonna tear open. I was like, oh no, I don't eat that much food. Let me get that.
Nah, it be so funny when he lose the challenge. He be like, in today's society, food won. Then the crowd be like, oh.
I feel like I did some shit like that. You need your good ass motherfucking nap.
I know he be on a spoiler.
He be
Mad as hell.
the hot shit.
Yeah. Bro, I'm gonna have to blur all these curse words out. I need that bag. YouTube. Disregard that last message. Just keep watching. You already know.
Damn, bro. Oh!
The sauce almost got me, bro.
Bro, this shit getting my ass, bro.
It was good though, right?
It was good.
I know damn well you ain't just put no fucking salt on my fries.
That bitch just got enough pepper.
You want the rest of it?
Yeah.
You sure?
Oh, I might want the rest of it.
This whole time I do. Might get
My nose running that shit. It's always a bad day. What's that, boy?
It's always a bad day.
You ever had this?
What is it supposed to be?
High key today we were supposed to go try some sushi for the first time. That might be the next video.
I look like a rapper. Oh, that's it.
Why can't I be like
Yo, amigo.
Yeah. Fuego!
I like that green apple butter.
Boy, this shit good as hell.
Cardo, finish that shit, boy. Wait on your
That shit good.
I was just doing this shit too. Oh, yes, these are the
Listen to the good though. Taxi your shit? What's this good? What's this one? Oh man, my shit's
Let's bite, y'all. Let's bite.
Sit back, work. You eat. Like this.
How you look this? You gotta put your butt?
I'm sorry, guys. I don't have no fiend. I don't do that.
Don't get caught on the way.
Bro, I still got these fucking mashed potatoes.
So you give it up? So I can't even take the
Bro, I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. I'm gonna eat.
The only thing I'm supposed to do is yeah, boys, I feel like I'm back at Stag Bathroom. Eating like a motherfucker. This should bring me back to Stag, man. Wash some shit. I literally think I'm back at Stag. The first time I had got bugged was at Stag Bathroom. Nigga, I first
Hey, teachers, all of that from Stag. Do not watch this. Kids, do not do that in the bathroom.
Cut this one out.
Hey, you know, fun fact, y'all know Nate shot the Call of Duty player who went to Stag.
Fuck that. Anyways, I must. She must have slammed me the motherfucker. So I must have went to the bathroom, but Janelle was hit that bitch one time. I was, oh, bro. Damn, boy, what the fuck? What the fuck? Put out like you ain't get a little bit of juice in your will. All you did was get your body look like.
Oh, nah, I feel you though, man. The first time I hit my shit was that Dev crib, boy.
No, this nigga did. I got the video. I'm finna show y'all the clip. This nigga rolled off the couch. He's like, damn.
Hey, when I first saw Rolando hit it, I thought I might go. So I started laughing because I was like, Rolando was telling everybody, nah. Like the first time I saw Rolando with that bitch, he was being stingy to everybody. He was talking about, let me tell you that you can't even. You realize how quick the motherfuckers go out when you shit it. When you pay for your own free bitches, all it takes for 5 of the bitches to burn out. You like, hell no, I ain't free. Buying these bitches $2 a rip.
Yeah, I'm saying you get too close to it, that's it.
Yeah, well, I pass it. I'll be watching it. When you hand it to them, as soon as they take one hit, you hit it.
They're like, damn, no.
Like, when you go like this, I hit it. Let me hit that. They hit it back up. Like, I'm like, look at that real quick. When I hit it back up, like,
well, Roy will take your shit, try to smack your shit like 10 times.
Right, and then be talking and shit, waving around. Like, let me see that right there in your hand. You doing too much. You been down. Shit, boy. Yeah, no, that should make me cringe watching somebody just hold my shit. Y'all seen that? I bought that bitch. Give me my shit.
Y'all seen that debate? Hey, if you enjoyed this video, let me tell y'all 3 times. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And we're gonna see y'all in the next video.